Hey guys, let me show you how to set up your new GPU server for machine learning. This is the installation procedure which you can follow to avoid any nightmares, which some people face due to wrong setup. Okay, first go to your Linux machine and run the command NVIDIA-SMI. It shows that there is no such command, right? So after that, you can find out your OS version, cat slash etc slash OS release, and it will show you that it is an Ubuntu machine. Apart from this, you will find the OS version as well, which you will need further. On this screen, I'll show you how to come back, how to reach to this screen. Okay. Um, so first, search for download CUDA. You can see if you have direct download link, then you can go there. Otherwise, this is the way. Then select your Linux x86, which is my machine, Ubuntu, and we had selected the version, right? Let's see. It is 18.0 18043 T LTS version. So we have selected 1804. There are four set of types. If we can install it from network or we can install directly. So we'll choose the dev network here because this is one time setup only. These are the commands that are listed which you have to run one by one as it is on your machine. So let me first create a directory where I'll do all the downloads and all. It is make directory CUDA setup and run the first command. It has downloaded CUDA ubuntu.pin file. Let us run the second command. So I'm just typing the password. Hold on. Okay. We are setting it up. We are setting up from where the files will be downloaded. Okay. First few, except last command, everything doing the setting up the prerequisites. And the final command is actually the installation. App, so this is a 6-minute video recording that I've removed so that this video is short. Okay, it took around 7 minutes on my machine. After that, you should reboot your machine. Let us run the same command again, NVIDIA-SMI, and you can see it has been set up. And you can see there are two GPUs, um, and everyone is having 7.6 GB of RAM. Let me show you. 7.6 GB, approximately 8 GB in one GPU. This is an AWS G3.X large instance, so which contains two GPUs, 88 GB, total 16 GB memory for GPU. Now, if you now this is about Anaconda setup, which you will need if you know how to set up Anaconda. You can just skip this step. Otherwise, I'm just installing Anaconda here so that I can run my Python. Let us first see which. First, let me download this file, Anaconda setup file. You can see this is Python 2.7 is directly already shipped, and I am downloading Anaconda 3, which I've shown in another video. Simply search for Anaconda, copy the URL and curl it, and do a chmod to this so that you can execute it. By default, it is not this such file is not executable, and then you have to go step by step, read the agreement. You are agreeing yes, type yes, then specify where you want to install. I have put a control C, but simply you can actually install in the recommended directory. I'm just finding out which is how many drives I have. I had only one drive, so there I have installed.